In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot sales in a quick and efficient manner. HubSpot is a powerful tool designed to help businesses grow and manage their customer relationships more effectively. We'll walk through some fundamental tasks to get you up and running in no time. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot homepage. This starting point gives you access to everything you need for managing your business operations through HubSpot. Once you've arrived, the next step is to locate and click on the login button. This will prompt you to enter your credentials. It's crucial to have access to your account to take advantage of all HubSpot's features. Once you're logged in, head over to the HubSpot homepage specific to your account. This is your central hub where you can manage your various tasks and keep an eye on ongoing activities. From there, look for the Workspaces section and click on it. Workspaces are designed to help organize your tasks and projects, making it easier to collaborate with your team. Next, we'll move to the Leads section. Click on Leads to view potential customers you're engaging with. This area is particularly useful for tracking interactions and ensuring that no opportunities fall through the cracks. From here, you will want to click on Create Lead. This step allows you to input new potential customer information, making sure you have all prospects accounted for. Now navigate to the Deals section. Deals are the heart of your sales operations, reflecting the business opportunities you're handling. Clicking on Deals will bring you into a view where you can manage ongoing negotiations and agreements. Within the Deals section, you'll also find the Create Deal option. Take a moment to input the details of any new deals, ensuring your pipeline stays current and fully tracked. As we wrap up the overview of deals, let's focus on tracking the progress of those ongoing negotiations. Click on Summary for a concise overview of your deals, monitoring their status and the next steps you need to take. Alongside that, you'll want to ensure you're scheduling your activities to maintain momentum, so click on Schedule to set up reminders and follow-up tasks. Finally, head over to the Feed section. The feed keeps you updated with a continuous stream of activity, giving you insights into what's happening with your leads and deals. Regularly checking the feed can keep you informed on all fronts, ensuring you're always one step ahead. And that's a brief run through on how to use HubSpot sales. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage your leads, track deals, and stay organized in your sales efforts. Thanks for watching, and make sure to explore these features further to fully leverage HubSpot for your business needs.